welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how you cook Nigerian fried rice with beef. One pot fried rice for your get together and party. How to cook fried rice with beef for parties. Exactly what you see on the screen. Keep watching and don't go away, all my genuine subscribers and returnees. So let's dive into it, everyone. First, I have my 1 kilo of beef washed. To season it, I will add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of beef seasoning, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I will add my freshly blended ingredients, garlic, ginger, and onions. Then I will mix to combine. After mixing to combine, I will cook this for 45 minutes on a very high flame. If you're using a pressure pot, 20 minutes is fine. So while that is aside, here is my ingredient for my fried rice. I have liver, carrots, green pepper, green onions, red chili pepper, seasoning, green peas, red bell pepper, garlic, freshly chopped onions, green beans, and thyme and curry. So while that is aside, our beef is cooked. So I will take a strainer. I will put this in a strainer to remove all particles from the water, because we'll be using that to cook our fried rice. So after straining it, this is our beef stock, enough for the rice. So while that is aside, on a clean pan, I added vegetable oil, and once it gets hot, I begin to fry the beef. Hello, all my genuine subscribers. Thanks so much for your wonderful support, and if you're new, thanks for returning. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and support this channel by watching the ads. Watch the ads and comment and like my videos, and all the ingredients and their quantity will be at the description box down below, and more videos on party fried rice will be at the description box. So while that is aside, on a clean pan, I add 2 tablespoonfuls of cooking butter and 1 tablespoonful of vegetable oil. Next, I'll go ahead and add my already chopped onions, next I will add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and stir to combine. Next, I will add my already washed rice and mix until it blends together. Doing this helps your rice to remain warm. It does not stick. It helps the rice not to stick, and it's very good for your parties and get together. Next, I will add my already boiled meat stock, and I will allow this to cook on a medium flame for 15 minutes. Cover to cook for 15 minutes on a medium flame. While this is aside, on a clean pan, I will melt 2 tablespoonfuls of cooking butter, and next I will add my freshly chopped garlic and onions. Next, I will add thyme, curry, and stir to combine. The reason for frying curry and thyme first, is to help loosen its hard, that spicy taste. Next, I will add seasoning to taste. 1 teaspoon of seasoning, all purpose seasoning. And first, I'll add my green beans. And then to combine, green peas is a bit hard, so I always love to stir it first to make it soft. After stirring this for a minute, I will go ahead and add my carrots. Carrot is another crunchy vegetable, so I always like to stir fry them first. So after mixing it properly, I will cover it to cook on a low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Do the same if you love it soft but not so soft. So while that is aside, let's check our rice. Wow, the water is dried, but it is not cooked. So I'll go ahead and add more water and continue cooking. After adding water, I'm going to cover it to cook for 20 minutes on a medium flame. Keep watching and don't go away, all my Jenny subscribers and returning. So while that is aside, let's check the carrots. At this point, I will go ahead and add the remaining vegetables: red chili pepper, red bell pepper, liver, green pepper, and green onions. Then I will mix to combine. Mix all the vegetable blends together with your ingredients. More videos on how to cook party jollof rice that does not stick will be at the description box down below. Party jollof rice with beef, party fried rice with beef. Yeah, so I will go ahead and add 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, and mix to combine. So while this is aside, let's check our rice. At this point, it's cooked. So I cooked the rice for 35 minutes, depending on how hard you want it or how soft. So after that, I'll add the rice to the vegetable bit by bit and mix to blend together. Do this on a very low flame. Hello, all my Jenny subscriber. I hope you're all there. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks so much for your returning back. Don't forget to support this channel by watching the ads, and don't forget to check the description box for all the ingredients and their quantities, and also watch more videos on this channel. Share, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay connected always. More yummy recipes are updated every week on this channel. So our party fried rice with beef is ready. Simple and very delicious. It was very delicious, and I said let me share with you. All right, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now.